Put it in your basket. Go get another one. Find another egg. Put it in your basket. Find another one. Do you want to get another egg, Cole? Get another one.
Put it in your basket.
How many eggs do you have, Cole? One.
Ready, look, Mommy.
There's more eggs over here. Look at the fence. At the fence. See the fence?